Let's make some Christmas baubles in today's video. Hello there, this is Agnes and today I'm going to use this design and quill over it. So the basic materials that we need are some cardstock. So I have chosen colors in black, gold, green and red. Here I am using 10 mm wide strips. You can even choose 5 mm for the project. The other things are I'm having a board on which I take some glue, a tweezer, quilling tools and a pair of scissors. Now to start with the project, I am going to grab my tweezer. With my tweezer and my hands, I am going to manipulate across the shape of the bow. You can even use the sides of your quilling tool where you need more curves and just keep adjusting and go on along the border. You can just manipulate with your hands, with your tools or whatever which is comfortable for you. And at points where you can see joints, you can just cut the paper so that it gives a neat crisp finish. For making on-edge quilling circles, I am using my quilling tool to give a smooth curve and then tear the end, apply some glue over the ends and wrap it around. Tearing our ends with the hands make it give a smooth finish than giving sharp edges so that it goes so smooth with the design. If you would like to have some more tips and tricks on on-edge quilling, then I will put a video link in the description and over here so that you can watch it to get more insight on on-edge quilling. I'm just going to outline the whole design with the same colors just like that. You can just watch me doing it. Sometimes I use the sides of my quilling tool to make the paper somewhat smoother and curvy, so it just goes as you go on the project. Once the outline is done, I'm going to do some simple filling of the shape. So for the first type, I'm going to make loose coils. You can use different sizes of paper strip, different lengths of quilling strip so that you get different sizes of loose coils. Since I am using cardstock, it gives a smooth and perfect shape instead of using your regular pre-cut strips. So always try to use cardstock for on-edge quilling and particularly for this filling in, so it gives a neat finish to your work. And even for the fillings, I'm going to use 10 mm wide paper strips for this project. Here the top part of the bow is not done, so I'm just doing some simple things so that it looks like a shadow or something. So now this Christmas bauble is done. If you want to add more thing to the smaller size baubles in the side, maybe you can add some loose coils over it. Now I'm going to try another design. So if you're going to get some extra copies or prints of this quilling base, then you can try different filling techniques inside this on-edge quilt bauble. This quilling base is available in both PDF and JPEG version. So for the PDF, you can just print out and use it. If you would like to get the JPEG image, you can just use it to compress or make it even more bigger based on the project where you would like to use it.